Hey there, lighting enthusiasts. Ready to elevate your space with some dazzling vibes? Whether you're setting up a cozy room, creating a gaming haven, or just adding a pop of color to your life, LED light strips are the way to go. Today, we're spotlighting the top 5 LED light strips of 2025 that bring the perfect mix of innovation, style, and brightness. Let's light things up. First on the list is the Philips Hue Indoor LED strip, the gold standard for smart lighting. This premium strip isn't just about brightness, it's about total control and unmatched color quality. It integrates seamlessly with the entire Philips Hue ecosystem, giving you full compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. You can adjust the colors, brightness, and effects through simple voice commands or the intuitive Hue app. With 16 million colors and 50,000 shades of white light, it offers a level of customization that's perfect for creating any mood. The 6.5-foot starter kit can be extended up to 33 feet using additional extensions, and the adhesive backing ensures a secure and easy installation. Its Zigbee and Bluetooth connectivity mean you can start small and expand your system over time. Whether under cabinets, behind TVs, or around bookshelves, the Philips Hue is a lighting experience like no other. Next, we have the YZ Smart LED strip, a budget-friendly but feature-packed option that brings creativity to your space. This 16-foot strip offers an impressive range of 16 to 10 million colors and customizable white tones from warm to cool. The YZ app is a powerhouse of functionality, allowing you to program scenes, set schedules, and even sync the lighting to your daily activities or music. Its unique circadian rhythm feature adjusts the light color throughout the day to align with your body's natural clock, promoting better focus and relaxation. With voice control compatibility through Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri shortcuts, hands-free operation is a breeze. The plug-and-play setup is quick and hassle-free, and the strip can be cut to fit smaller areas, making it ideal for desks, countertops, or entertainment centers. Third up is the Govee 100 feet RGBIC LED strip, a behemoth in both size and capability. If you're looking to make a bold statement, this strip's 100-foot length can cover entire rooms, long staircases, or massive entertainment setups. Its RGBIC technology takes customization to the next level, allowing multiple colors to display simultaneously on a single strip. This creates stunning gradients and dynamic effects that stand out in any setting. The Govee Home app gives you access to a library of DIY effects, scene presets, and a music sync mode that pulses lights to your favorite tunes. A built-in microphone enhances the music mode by capturing real-time audio for dynamic lighting reactions. With voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant, it's perfect for gamers, party hosts, or anyone who loves bold, interactive lighting. Fourth is the DAYBETTER LED strip, an affordable and dependable option for lighting enthusiasts on a budget. Despite its price, this strip doesn't skimp on features. It delivers 16 million colors, adjustable brightness levels, and preset lighting modes for every occasion. The included remote and app provide dual control options, allowing you to customize the strip's settings with ease. At 50 feet long, it's perfect for medium to large spaces like living rooms or bedrooms. The standout feature? Its ultra-strong adhesive backing that keeps the strip securely in place on virtually any surface. With the music sync mode, the lights react dynamically to sound, making it a hit for parties or gaming nights. The DAYBETTER is proof that quality doesn't have to come at a premium. Finally, meet the Kasa KL400L10 LED strip from TP-Link, a sleek and sophisticated choice for smaller spaces. At 10 feet, it's the perfect length for accentuating shelves, desks, or kitchen counters. The strip offers millions of colors and 10 adjustable brightness levels, ensuring you can find the perfect tone for any mood. It connects directly to Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for a hub, and works effortlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and the Kasa Smart app. The app provides full control, allowing you to set schedules, customize scenes, and adjust brightness with a few taps. Its cuttable design lets you tailor the length to fit snugly in your space, and the durable adhesive backing ensures it stays in place. Simple, smart, and reliable, the Kasa KL400L10 is an elegant lighting solution. And there you have it, the top 5 LED light strips of 2025 to transform your space into something truly magical. From the premium Philips Hue to the bold and budget-friendly DAYBETTER, these strips bring light and life to any corner of your home. Check the links below to grab your favorite and let us know in the comments how you're lighting up your world.